IDT designs, engineers, and manufactures high-speed camera systems in Pasadena, California. Every system is integrated, calibrated, and tested under one roof. From sensor integration and electronics design to mechanical housing, firmware, and final system validation. IDT systems are trusted in aerospace programs, automotive crash safety, scientific research, cinema production, and live broadcast. Every mission demands a different configuration. That is why IDT has engineered 13 camera series across 4 platforms, with 6 processors, ranging from compact field units to rack-mounted systems. Every combination is purpose-built. Connected over fiber optic cable, camera and processor can operate up to 20 kilometers apart. For compact deployments, a single cable delivers power, data, and control to the camera. The CrashCam series records to onboard storage and operates fully self-contained, with no external connections required. IDT systems are rated for 200G shock and 40G continuous vibration. Resolutions reach up to 8K, with frame rates up to 20,000 frames per second. Motion Monitor is IDT's proprietary control software. It manages every camera in the system from a single interface, whether running single cameras, synchronized arrays, or stereoscopic pairs, anywhere in the network.
Since 1997, IDT has delivered precision imaging systems to researchers, engineers, and filmmakers worldwide, delivering clarity of vision on and off the planet.